Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. So today's video is going to blow your mind because now you can run Windows 11 directly on your Mac onto an external drive and set it up for booting. And in this video I will show you step by step how to install it, set it up, and actually use it. So make sure to watch till the end. In this method, we'll install Windows 11 on an external USB drive. However, you can also use the same method to install Windows 10 or Windows 11 on a separate partition of your Mac's internal hard drive. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. The latest version of Windows 11. First thing first, visit Microsoft official website and download the Windows 11 ISO file. After running Windows 11, download a free tool called Windows Install. This lightweight yet powerful app allows you to install Windows directly from Mac OS without creating a bootable USB drive. Make sure to download the latest version from its official website. Now that we have both, the ISO file and the installation app, plug in your USB drive for the best performance using a fast SSD. However, any USB drive will work. Please note, this process will erase everything on the USB drive, so make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. When you're ready, open your disk utility. From the View menu, select Show All Devices. In the left sidebar, select the top level of your USB drive and click on the Erase button. Choose a name for your USB drive. In the Format drop-down menu, you select exFAT, and in the Scheme drop-down menu, select GUID partition map. Everything is okay. Now hit the Erase button. After erasing, close that disk utility. Now we are ready to install Windows 11, so go to your Downloads folder and open Windows Install app. Drag and drop the Windows 11.iso file into the app. You will not see a list of Windows 11 editions. Find the index number of the version you want to install. For example, to install Windows 11 Pro, note its index number. In my case, it's 6, so I selected index 6 here. Now we tell the software in which disk and partition it will install Windows 11. Next, we need to select this option, Customize Windows Installation. 1. Remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. 2. Disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. Then, verify this. If you don't know your disk number, open this utility again and select your hard drive. And from here, you can note your disk number. In my case, it's disk 2S2. After that, click on the Install button. Now sit back and relax. The installation is fully automatic and may take some time depending on your hardware. After some time, Windows 11 will install on your desired hard drive. Now, you can close the software. But it's not done yet. Even though Windows 11 is now installed, we need the proper drivers to make everything run smoothly. Next, you need to download the MacBook Pro driver. What we choose for that bombardier.dmg. You need to download this. I have provided the link for you below the YouTube video. Open this software, identify your laptop's model, select it from the MacBook Pro year, and then download the corresponding driver. Once downloaded, copy the Windows support driver to your external USB drive. If you do not have NTFS right exist on your Mac, you can either install NTFS software like Paragon or NTFS texture, or save the Windows support driver to and other USB drive, formatted EXFAT, and copy and paste this driver. Restart your Mac. As soon as you hear the startup sound, press and hold the Option key from the Boot Picker menu. Select your USB drive. Please wait to initiate the process. After Windows 11 finishes setting up, navigate to the Windows support driver and run the setup to install all necessary drivers. Once complete, restart your Mac. After restarting, you will see that Windows 11 works smoothly on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next fun piece.